Welcome to day 3. You've made it to lecture 16. Great job, that's so awesome. As you remember, yesterday we covered Qi. Today we're going to complete the initial evaluation of both your indoor and your outdoor spaces. So I'm hoping that you're prepared to take some notes. There's a ton of awesome information coming your way. Let's start with the initial evaluation of your indoor space. That I am assuming you chose yesterday by completing your homework. You should also have graph paper, notebook paper, and a pencil. So let's go. I'm sure you remember, Qi is energy. Qi can be good, bad, stagnant, or escape from your space altogether.